welcome back to my channel. It's KyReviews, and today I'm bringing you a sensational unit. Her name is Anya and I have her in the color Jade. She is so beautiful. It's like a wet and wavy type of look. She is very lightweight as well. Here's what the stock card looks like. She looks so pretty on the stock card. She has the same color as well. This has a hand-tied deep center part. I think it's around 4 inches. I think this is what it's looking like. I didn't manipulate it or anything, but I think I will have to pluck it a little bit and add a little bit of concealer or powder to it with this one, but I will get to that a little bit later. They claim that it's natural parting from edge to crown, which is it shows like it has like a line of demarcation here for some reason. That's why I was like, I didn't see that, but it's there. The combs on this unit, the two of them are right here at the very sides by the air tabs, and one in the back with adjustable straps. This comes with a variety of different colors. They also noted that they may have other colors as well. Just let them know for additional special colors, because they do have like a long list. I saw them with the grays and all that. But these are the special colors that it comes in. It also came in like a nice lavender color as well, but I'm feeling this green. She kind of reminds me of a review I did on another unit. It was green as well. She was long but more bulky. I think that one was from the Chat Cutie brand. It was quite chunky and thick, so that's why I didn't like it. It was a little too hot. But this one is very lightweight and it's not too much, you know what I mean? It has the right amount of density of hair in this unit, so you don't have to worry about it being too thick and too heavy, because that's what's with the other one that I had. That's why I haven't even worn it out. It was just a little bit too much for me and it was super long. But this one is just right at the waist. You know, it's kind of like layered as well, because the front of it also it is short as well. So this is how it looks all the way to the front. She is very cute, you guys. I won't recommend it trying to do any other part, because it's going to be like a little bit uncomfortable. This is mainly a center part wig, so if you're not feeling the whole center parting in your wigs, this may not be the one for you. But she is very cute. Like, I mean, she's lightweight, and you could even try this unit out if you're scared of bringing in colors. This would be a perfect one for you to try. It's not as bright, but it is colorful still. You know what I mean? It's not like in your face and all of that, but she's definitely a very pretty color. It's not too bright and it's not too dark. It's just right in the middle. So you could definitely try it out. Don't be scared to try colors. I was like that in the beginning as well, but as soon as I start bringing it in and I start coloring my own hair like that, I noticed how good it looks. I was like, hold up, didn't think this was gonna look so good. So give it a try, you know, give it a try. I think this will be a perfect entry-level colored unit for you guys to try out. If you're not into color as much, try it out. You never know, it may look really nice. You know, you just give it a try. Just go out there and just do it, you know what I mean? Don't let anything hold you back, just do it. As far as the regular colors, they have their regular 1, 2. I will put all of that in the description box and where you can purchase this unit as well. That's really all what I have for this unit. In terms of heat safe, it's up to 400 degrees, so you can definitely do that, but you don't want to ruin this nice little wet and wavy, you know what I'm saying? She's really cute, you know? You just put a little water in it if you want to kind of tame it down, but I don't think it's that deep for you to like do all of that, because it's not as crazy. I haven't gotten any shedding, a little bit of tangling at the ends, but it's expected with these type of units, and it's a little long, so don't worry about all of that. The tangling, that's what happens when you have long hair, girl. So yeah, that's what happens. But other than that, this unit is very beautiful. I give it 2 thumbs up. I really like it. and it comes in a lavender color too, so that's really cute. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click on that notification bell for future uploads, and I'll see you guys in another wig review. Bye.
So let me hug up and squeeze you. I don't even want to leave you.